Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today I'm super excited because we started a new series, a Guatemalan cuisine series. Guatemalan cuisine is delicious and combines many flavors like spices with dried chiles, recados, and a lot of dishes. Delicious dishes take a little more time to make. However, today we started with a very easy one, and it's called Garnachas. Simple, fast, and delicious for any party that you have at home. I forgot to mention that in the middle of this series, we're gonna go visit Guatemala. And I'm gonna show you guys a beautiful black sanded beach that you're gonna love. So stay tuned. To make the garnachas, we start with the masa. Now, traditional garnachas are served with white cabbage. Today I chose to use the red cabbage, but feel free to use the white one. And we make like a salad. We call it curtido. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. Now, for the garnachas, we will need a pork. Super easy to make pork because we are gonna use our Instant Pot. Put the pork inside with the spices and let it there for a couple hours to cook, and then it's ready just to assemble. That easy. This recipe needs salsa. And because we love salsa, we are not just making one homemade salsa, but two. We are making a tomatillo salsa and a red salsa. They're simple to make, delicious, and we roast them to enhance those flavors. It's gonna be delicious. You can eat it just with chips. So good. Now we form the tortillas. You can use your tortilla baker to make these tortillas. However, I like to make these with my hands because they have to be a little bit thicker than a regular tortilla. This is a little bit more thick. So we make the thick tortillas, we cut them in the middle, and now it's time to fry them. You can air fry them too. Now we're ready. We're ready to assemble our delicious Guatemalan garnachas, and we assemble them like this. We set the tortilla, half of them, remember, on the plate, and we top it with tomatillo salsa, and then we grab some of the delicious pork and top it with red salsa. We top this with queso and cilantro. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda, and please don't forget to join me in our next video where we go visit a beautiful black sanded beach in Guatemala that I know you will love. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to go check the videos in the description section of delicious Guatemalan cuisine. See you guys next time.